Hello, it's me, your boy, and we're back with another Titan Army monitor video. You guys remember Titan Army? Last time we reviewed their 32-inch curved monitor. That thing is an absolute monster. I can't even begin to describe. That thing is just freaking beautiful. So we got the P2510S, $270 on sale right now from its usual $299. Let's get it unboxed, shall we? All right, what we got first? We got the base. We got some cables, power cable, display port. We got an instruction manual, color calibration, factory report, warranty card. All right. And then we have the stand. It looks like it just clips right on, so I'm just gonna screw this together. No tools necessary. Love that. All right, now let's take a look at the actual thing. We got Titan Army here, 24.5 inches. Plastic case, not bad. It feels kind of light. It's nice and easy to handle. On the back, we got plenty of airflow. It's so thick, it almost looks like a CRT, which is a good sign. Plenty of room for breathability in there. We got the 4 VESA screws in the back that'll help us with the mount later. We got some cool buttons on the bottom. No little analog stick on the back or whatever like people have been doing lately. I prefer a button for each thing personally. We got 2 HDMI slots, power, 2 display port, and a sound. That's it, man. Pretty straightforward. I love the monitors with toolless like assembly, you know. It's got a 24.5 inch fast IPS panel, 240 hertz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time. It's a 2K QHD 2560 by 1440 resolution, HDR 500. It's got an ergonomic stand, 95% coverage of the wide colored gamut. So it's a 2560 by 1440 QHD resolution with a pixel density of 120 ppi, eliminating jagged edges on text and image blur for a clearer and more detailed picture. Nice, okay. I mean, 123% coverage of sRGB. Got a fast gaming mode, night vision mode, dark field balance. I mean, it's Titan Army, guys. Honestly, like, say what you want about getting monitor brands that you might not have heard of before, but I have a Titan Army monitor and that thing has lasted forever, so I'm pretty excited about getting a new one. Titan Army looks so good. Look at that bird down there. You can just see that little bird. That's gonna be me tracking fools from 600 meters away. Watch, boom, see him? Headshot right there. There's 2 of them down there. Oh, bro. Imagine living here. I wanna live there. I live right there. I'll take that. How much is that house? Oh, wait, never mind. We have neighbors. Oh, look at all those neighbors. No thanks. I'll live like way up there in the mountain. All right, anyways, you guys get that. Wow. Wait, that one looks the best. Look at them. They're driving the drone. Look at him. I can see the little controller in his hands. Hey, buddy, you're freaking exposed. Yeah. Oh, that's kind of cute. They were hugging each other. Oh, yeah, dude. This thing is it. All right, let's play some game.
Game starts in.
Well, hurry up then.
4, 3, 2, 1. Team Shoddy Snipers.
Guys, help me, bro. I just lagged right there. Hello?
King Slayer.
That'll work. Where's this go? Nice.
Gain the lead.
Just let me kill you. Come on, man. It's for the clip, dude. You wouldn't get it. You wouldn't understand, bro. It's for the Titan Army video. Come on, man. Just be chill, bro. I'm out of here. Oh my god. Oh my god, thanks. Well, bitch. Sick of your shit.
Kingslayer. Double kill.
I'm out of here, man. I'm gone.
1 minute remaining.
I thought that was one of those portals that had the little jump boost on it, but it's not.
Double kill.
That guy's getting hurt. Look at him. He's hurt. I'm so scared right now.
Game over. Victory.
Who's clipping me? Who's trying to clip me? Well, that's Splitgate 1, because Splitgate 2 not working, even though they said it was supposed to be working, but it's not working. Okay. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, this has been Titan Army Monitor, 24.5 inch, 240 hertz of pure adrenaline and fun. I actually had a blast playing with it. I like my main monitor I use is 1080p, so it's a nice little upgrade. I definitely like it. So if you want to check out a nice little budget 1440p esports, 240 hertz, low latency, IPS panel, HDR support, good sRGB coverage, something that'll last you a while, then Titan Army is definitely the move. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tech review. Thanks, Titan Army. Bye-bye.